Here you go. 1 year unlimited subway pass.
Thanks.
Did I get the name right?
How did you... Okay, gotta go.
Hold up, Miles. I kinda suspected when I saw the news yesterday. Watching your moves on those escape cons, juking guys left and right, could've sworn I was back at the park playing pickup with you and your dad. You were quick then. A lot quicker now. Don't worry, I won't tell your mom.
Promise?
Promise. Look at you. If your dad could see you now...
He'd probably freak out.
He'd definitely freak out. So you taking over for the other Spider-Man?
Nah. Like I said, he's just on vacation.
Right. And he left you in charge.
Yeah.
A lot of responsibility for a kid your age.
I can handle it.
Hope so. But listen, you get in over your head, you give me a call. I'm here for you. Got it?
Got it. Thanks, Unc. Genki said the app's blowing up. City definitely needs a Spider-Man. Should patrol for a while.
What? Come on now, Spider-Man.
Hey, right here.
What? Not you. My cat. Named after the real Spider-Man. Bunch of jerks broke in here and robbed my place. Think they took Spider-Man too.
That's awful. You see where they went?
Overheard them say they're hitting the power substation. Couple blocks over.
I'll find them. And your cat.
Sure, kid. Guess it can't hurt.
Should probably call Genki when I get there. Why would these things go to a power station? Here's my way in. Genki, I need help. Some dudes robbed Teo's bodega, then headed to the closest power station.
Weird. You've got my full attention. Watching through your live stream.
They're shooting Transformers? Okay. Here, take 5.
What's looking for it, macho man? You sure it'll knock out the whole block reasonably? If you knock out more than one, it'll take the cops longer to catch on. I've never been part of a plan like this. That's because you've been working. Call the boss! Tell him Spider-Man's here!
Y'all the folks who robbed Teo's place? Where's Spider-Man? Where is Spider-Man? Oh man, that sounds crazy.
Boss said no one would figure out what we're doing here! Oh man, this job is so not worth it!
This station's output is down to 64%. Maybe you can find a backup.
Good thinking on the backup systems. You're good at this hero stuff.
Nah, I'm just a spectator.
Just need to find Teo's cat. Spider-Man! Wait! Wait! Spider-Man went down that elevator shaft. I'm coming for you, Spider-Man. Hang tight. Spider-Man, wait! Oh.
I think I know what these dudes want. There's a bank on this block. No power means no security.
So if we fix the power, we're preventing a bank heist?
Stopping crime before it begins. In a world where only two men can see the future, only they can stop it.
All right, gotta focus.
Why does the boss want to set up here of all places?
Look outside. Harlem's a mess right now. Boss knows an opportunity when he sees it. Take you out! Start praying! That looked painful! I'm taking you down, kid!
Take that!
This ain't gonna end well for you! See how you like my new car? Come here!
Sounds like someone's paying them. Any idea who... What?
So, output's at 0.
I got that.
Pulling up emergency lights. Okay. You can restore power if you charge the other backups.
On it. Man, how many people does it take to bust a power station?
You bring up the emergency lights? I thought you did. Nah. Could be one of the station workers. Keep an eye out. Power's already...
What's up? Who's your boss? Anybody I know? Seriously, who planned the bank robbery?
Got him! Get back down there! Go back to me! I dare you! I got it!
We need to find the backup systems. Okay, gotta push ahead. Find the main generator, and hope I can fix it. These guys keep talking about their boss. Any idea who it is?
Dude, a lot of people want to rob banks.
It was worth a try. There's the main breaker. Gotta clear out these guys. Then I can figure out how to fix it.
Being out in the open makes me nervous.
Stay sharp, boys. Someone's trying to undo our good work.
Of course
I knew I could do it.
Our boss has got too many enemies.
Yeah, but
Go! We got a problem over here! One big score and I'm out of here.
You don't think Spider-Man's the one messing with us, right?
why would you jump to that?
Because the boss hates him.
Sounds like whoever planned the heist knows Spider-Man. And not in a good way.
Has to be the other one. I don't have that many enemies.
Yet.
Great optimism, bro.
Keep your eyes open! He's here somewhere! Someone come back me up! The hell was that?
Where are you? Show yourself!
Just mind your own business, Spider-Man! All right, I'm here.
You want to dance, Spider-Man? Let's dance!
You got a death wish or something?
I'm not gonna go out like that!
Forget this. Going in loud.
He's mine! I beat up smarty punks like you every day!
Get him! Take!
Get him on the ground!
I can't reach it!
Time to check the breaker. Connection solid. Power should be rerouted. Time to flip the breaker. Let there be...
What was that noise?
Yeah, kitty, it's okay.
Spider-Man?
You can't have him! Don't you know it's rude to interrupt the bonding process? You're mine! Get him!
You asked for this!
Tell me who planned the bank robbery. Give me the cat, and I'll let you go. Deal?
It made that easy.
Day to mess with us! He's mine! You're in for some pain! Got someone else! Don't you know it's rude to interrupt the bonding process?
Tell me who planned the bank robbery. Give me the cat, and I'll let you go. Deal?
No deal! Don't let him leave here! Gotcha!
He's mine!
You ain't the real Spider-Man!
See how you like my new toy?
It made that easy.
You're mine! You ain't no Spider-Man! I'm just warming up!
I'm taking you down, kid.
now for the breaker. For real this time. Let's get out of here, Spider-Man. Hey, man. Power restored, bank heist stopped, Spider-Man the cat saved.
All in a day's great work. I'm posting in the FNSM app about these guys and their boss. Maybe we can get leads on who we're dealing with. Call you soon.
Thanks for working on Christmas, Spider-Man.
Hey, Teo, got a surprise for you.
Oh, yeah? What's that? Spider-Man! Oh! Did you have an adventure? Oh, you almost gave Daddy a heart attack. Oh, yes, you did. Oh, yes, you did. Good work, other Spider-Man. Thanks.
Yeah. Of course. Hey, man. Any leads on who our cat thieves were working for?
I'm chasing down a couple of problems that might be connected. Robberies on Harlem's commercial strip, and something going down at Feast North. I'll post in the app when I know more.
Cool. Thanks, dude.
Miles, we still meeting today? Never got a text back from you.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. I've been wrapped up in my own stuff. But I'm free now. Where?
Sweet. 78th and West End.
78? By the Science Center? Why there?
You'll see. Don't be late.
78th and West End. Guess I'll find out what she means. Better hustle over.